Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Are you one of those that like to tailgate, maybe go camping, or you just love brats and your family loves them? Then you need to hang around because we're going to make some killer brats here. So let's get going. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we've got an aluminum pan here, and we've got some onions here that we're just going to break up and put in this pan. One whole yellow onion, I'm sorry. Just going to get these all broken up, put in here, just like this. Now I've got one bell pepper that's going to go in here on top of it, just like that. Now I've got one whole jalapeno that's going to go in here. Just kind of spread them around a little bit, just like that. Now I'm going to take some chupacabra rub. Now if you've not tried chupacabra rub, you really need to. This is some fantastic rub. They're not a sponsor of this show, but I use it. I use a lot of it. I buy this by the 5-pound jug. That's how good it is. It's fantastic. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of this on there, just like that. Now I'm going to take our brats, put them in here just like this. Just going to line them up. See if I can get them all in here, all nice, and they have to move them down just a little bit. Make space for all of them because I'm making quite a few of them today. All right, we're going to put this one right in there. And put this one right in there. I'll put this one right in there, just like that. Now, I've got 2 beers here. And we're just gonna empty the beer in here. Just like this. We'll put both of them in here. Now, if you wanted to, you could use broth, like chicken broth or beef broth, if you don't like beer. I happen to like beer, as you can tell. Anyway, so we're just going to do it just like that. Now, we're going to be doing these on the Weber kettle, and what we're going to put this on and just let them parboil for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to get them out, and I'm going to show you what we do then. These are going to be fantastic. You're going to want to try this. So let me go get the Weber kettle going. All right, if you'll notice, I got all of the charcoal on one side. We're going to put this on the off side of it, right about like that. We're going to let it rock and roll, and we're going to go get the cheese sauce going. Okay, we got 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to make a roux here. We're just going to lightly brown our roux. Man, look at that roux. See how it's turning golden brown? That's what we want right there. Exactly what we want. Yeah, it's got a kind of a nutty flavor, nutty smell to it. That's what you're looking for. Okay, now then, I'm gonna pour in 1 cup of milk, and we'll give it a good stir. Mix it all together here. All right, I got that mixed together. Now, I'm going to put in about an 1/8 teaspoon or a little more cayenne pepper. Yeah, that'll do it right there. Now we're going to stir that real good. Get that mixed in there. Get this cayenne pepper all mixed up in there. All right, now then, we're gonna put in about 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. There we go. And we're gonna get this all melted. This is gonna be a good cheese dip right here, buddy. This is gonna be a good cheese sauce to go on these bratwurst for sure. Make your tongue slap your lips smooth off. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's coming around now. There it is, there it is. That's what we're looking for right there. All right, it's done. It's ready for the This cheese sauce is done. It's ready for the bratwurst. We got our cheese sauce made. Man, I want you to look how that turned out. Oh man, that's gonna be some good stuff on them bratwurst. So all we're waiting on now is for the bratwurst to get done. Yeah, before I open the grill, I'm gonna click these a few times so I don't burn the place down. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna set these right over here. And we're gonna start grilling them. Man, these are smelling so good. All right, we're gonna let these grill for a little while, about 4 or 5 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, we've got our broths done. We're gonna pull these buggers up and we're gonna eat. Man, I'm hungry. Well, these look good. Well, my little ankle mangler is out. He's treed something. And get these up. Boy, these smell so good. Ooh. All right. Yep. Okay, we got the broth off the grill. I'm fixing to make me one up because these are smelling good. Get me one of these brats here. Man, look at that. Now the first thing I'm gonna do, put me a little bit of this cheese dip on there, or nacho cheese, or this cheese sauce. Now, what I did was, afterwards, I added a little bit of picante sauce to it. My wife tasted it and she said she preferred it with a little bit of picante sauce. So that's what I did. Put me a few of these onions, a few of these bell peppers, and you know I gotta put some of these jalapenos on there. Man, I want you to look at that. Is that not a good looking bratwurst hot dog right there? Set this down. I got to get me a paper towel because I'm fixing to make me a mess when I eat this one. Now that's how you make a bratwurst right there. It's super easy, super simple, and man, they're good. Your whole family's gonna love these. They'll be eating these twice a week. Good Lord. Well, I want to thank you for joining me. I want to send a thanks out to all the people who watch my videos and all my subscribers. And hey, if you like the content, go down and hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell right next to it. Leave me a like on the video. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you do different or if you've tried this. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement who protect us and keep us safe every day. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in the military and especially all of our veterans. Thank you very much.